Prepare yourselves for the ultimate showdown in the world of cybersecurity and hacking. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join us for the Capture the Flag competition on November 2nd at the Sheikh Zayed Center, Ajman University.
It's time to unite your squad, be it friends, co-workers or fellow hackers, because you're about to embark on an unmissable battle.
Sharpen your skills and get ready to immerse yourselves in an electrifying hacking competition like never before.
We proudly present the most exhilarating Capture the Flag competition of the year, Ajman University CTF, powered by the Redteam Hacker Academy.
For registration and ticket details, visit our official website at au.pendusgarage.com. Thanks to our remarkable sponsors, Bug Cloud, we have a treasure trove of prizes and captivating entertainment lined up for you.
Whether you're a seasoned pro hacker or a budding enthusiast, all skill levels are not just welcomed but celebrated.